Now we are starting exercise 3.1, page number 72, question number 14. What they are saying, Razi think a number and then he multiplies this number by 0.1. So I always suggest you, whenever you are having any of the word problem, so do not read the word problem as whole. कभी भी आपको पूरा word problem एक साथ नहीं पढ़ना. You have to break word problem in few parts and then we have to decide that what we have to do in this word problem. So Razi think a number. So in our mathematics, what we are doing whenever we are think a number and the number is unknown, so we can say let the number be x. So Razi think a number and we have decided the number is x. He multiplied that number by 0.1. So what we can say? We can say he think of a number and he multiplied that number with 0.1. Then divide the answer. The answer of both of these, he divide the answer by 0.01. Then what he is doing, Razi then divide the number, the whole answer of this part. He divided by 0.1 and get a final answer, that is 12,500. So we have to simplify the whole equation to find the value of unknown. The unknown value is basically the value of x. If I will do the calculation, so what we have to do, 0.1 into x divided by 0.01. The division sign will be converted into 1 over 0.1. We are taking the reciprocal. We are converting the division sign into the multiplication sign and we are taking reciprocal of 0.1, because if we are nothing as a denominator, the number is always 1. So 12,500. We can see clearly that 0.1 and 0.1 can be cancelled out with each other. So x over 0.01 is equals to 12,500. 0.01 is a divisor of x, so we can shift it to the other side to make it as a multiplier. 0.01 has two decimal places. So what we can say, we can move the decimal place two times here and 125 will be the number that Razi was thinking in the starting of this question.